These colorful birds are called Chlorophonia. They live in the mountains and, like most birds, build their nests just before rainy season sets in. All the bugs come out when it starts raining, which means plenty of food for the baby birds. Doesn't it look cozy in there? Their nests can be 100 feet off the ground. Chlorophonias feed mainly on fruits of mistletoe, but also eat a few insects that they find on branches and under moss. It sure takes a lot of work to build a nest. Many times, the eggs of the first nest get eaten by predators, so many birds have to build a second nest. Let's hope these guys make it.